What's going on, guys? Welcome back to part 2 of our OpenStax video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to build the most amazing vocabulary list ever on planet Earth. Here we go. We've broken down all of our topics. We've been gathering all of our information. We've been deep diving into the chapters that correspond with the breakdown that we put together earlier. And now what we need is a vocabulary list. We need something that we can make flashcards out of. Now we want to drive it in. We want to that was so corny. Now, when we were breaking down the official CLEP study guide from the College Board, I showed you guys a way that you can get definitions and such from there, right? So you still want to do that too, okay? Because that's straight from the source. That's straight from the College Board. When you put what you get from the official CLEP study guide with what you get from OpenStax and you put it together, it's a done deal. It's a done deal. You got the ultimate creme de la creme of study prep at your disposal. So let's dive right in. This video is going to be so short and simple because literally all you're going to do is go into your chapter and you're going to go here, key terms. And you're just going to copy and paste this into a Word document. Alright, it's that simple. Ladies and gentlemen, it's that simple. Copy and paste this into a Word document. Make sure you label which chapter you got it from and start creating your flashcards. Get you some index cards and get to writing them flashcards. And there you have it, folks. I mean, it's that easy. Okay, it's too easy. Alright, it's so easy. You'd be dumb not to do it. I'm sorry. I'm just being honest. That's going to conclude our video for this topic, and that topic is OpenStax. In the next video, we're going to be talking about modern states, another very, very valuable resource for you. I'm going to deep dive into that.